Hello, hello guys. How to give comment in Python? There are two type of comment: single comment and docstring comment. Docstring is not a actually comment, but it is one kind of documentation. So how to create the single line comment and docstring? So first of all, we can open Python ideally. So how to open Python ideally? This is my Python ideally. So first of all, we can write print. We can check my Python is working or not. So see, my Python is working. Now I can create a new file name. Here as sign is used to give single line comment. So I can write down some code and we can test how to give doc string and how to give single line comment. So first of all, as sign is used for single line comment. Program with two function two function, right? Now it is a function. Def keyword is used for function. Add in the bracket x comma y. Now colon, and this is the uh, document string. Triple quotation, triple double quotation, or triple single quotation you can use. Okay, so this is the starting and this is the ending. Now here you can write uh, this function son takes two argument, two numbers, and finds their sum. Okay, and this second line, it display the sum as result. Okay, now stop. Here we can type and return and print double quotation sum equal to comma x plus y. Now it is okay, right? Now second function we can write def message colon. Okay. Now single quotation, this this function displays a message, and this is a welcome message to the user, right? Got single quotation over, right? Now print double quotation welcome to Python, right? Now it is okay. Now here has sign, has is single line comment. Now call the functions, right here, add in the bracket 10 comma 15 and message. Okay, done. Save. Right, I can save this program in my Python folder. Here is my Python folder. Now I can say command demo. Okay, now okay, command demo. Now I can execute this function. Again I can open Python function and run Python. Okay, so my program is run successfully. Now I can check, right? Python uh, function here. See, now you can check system dot cd d drive cd python underscore program. Okay, now python comment demo dot py. Okay, comment demo dot py. This is my function. We can run through the, ideally now we can run through the cmd. Now got it. Okay, now python minus m py doc minus w. Now comment demo. Now enter. Now wrote the comment dot html. Now we can check our comment dot html is ready or not. Okay, see, comment demo dot html, right? We can check. See, this is our function comment. My add, it is the documentation is created. So this is my program file name, this is my comment, and here is the function, and we whatever we write in a triple quotation, it is here. So thank you for watching this important python program. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you, student.